Do you know about Cartagena City? Cartagena is a vibrant colonial city situated on Colombia's Caribbean coast. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its rich history and culture. From the air, Cartagena reveals its magic, a city where centuries of history meet the rhythm of the Caribbean. Red-tiled roofs, sunlit plazas, and turquoise waters blend in a scene that feels timeless. Cartagena is wrapped in a 13-kilometer-long stone wall, built in the 16th century to protect it from pirates and invaders. Today, that wall is a symbol of strength and beauty. As you glide above it, you can see the waves crashing against the ancient stones, and inside, a city full of color, charm, and life. Within the walled city, the drone captures cobblestone streets winding between vibrant buildings painted in shades of gold, blue, and coral. Horse-drawn carriages move slowly below, while church bells ring from towering cathedrals. Locals and visitors fill the plazas, laughing, dancing, and sharing stories under the Caribbean sun. Cartagena's spirit is also found in its flavors. From the air, you can spot bustling markets and seaside food stalls. Down below, you'd find fresh ceviche, crispy arepas, and fragrant sancocho simmering on every corner. Pair it with a cup of strong Colombian coffee or a glass of local rum, and you taste the soul of the city.
Beyond the old town lies a coastline of pure paradise. The drone soars over Boca Grande's lively beaches, then drifts toward the calm shores of El Laguito. Just beyond, boats head toward Isla Baru and the Islas del Rosario, where coral reefs shimmer beneath crystal-clear water, a tropical escape just minutes away. As day turns to night, Cartagena glows beneath the stars. The sound of salsa, cumbia, and champeta fills the streets. From above, you can see the old city come alive, a place where history dances with modern joy.
Cartagena is more than a destination. It's an experience painted in sunlight, sea breeze, and song. From its ancient walls to its golden beaches, every view tells a story. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking drone views from around the world.